So today I'm going to be decorating the wall space above my desk. I have a couple prints and Polaroids, but I don't think I have enough to fill up all the space. But I ordered more. As those come, I'll put them up. But these are the ones that I have for now. And I don't know, I need to place it not too high or not too low because I do have a standing desk now. So when I put the desk higher, I don't want everything to be like covered up. Maybe over here. I'm starting all the way up here. I don't remember if I showed this yesterday, but this is the finished wall. It's a bit different from when I last filmed. As for this one, I think I'm gonna put these Pantone postcards on there. It's kind of plain, but that's all I really have right now. I want to order paint pens so I can like draw on these and make them cuter. This is the finished wall. I actually like it a lot better than I thought it would. I think it just looks really colorful and makes the space a little more fun. I still want to get like paint markers so I can draw on them. I feel like that would make it a lot cuter maybe, and then kind of match all the prints on this side. So yeah, I'm very happy with how it looks right now. This is the front door of the room, and there's some storage space here. There's a bathroom on the right, a walk-in closet. I have my mirror from last year. I just have all my stuff over there, and then once my roommate moves in, she'll have her stuff over here. My decor is the same as last year. Like the bedding and pillows are all the same. Except this year I had to buy my own mattress and bed frame. These curtain lights are from last year, and the flowers are as well. These I've had since like freshman year. I just have some art from my friends and their small businesses, some Polaroids that I've painted, more Polaroids and art prints, and yeah, more pictures. I have my little pin collection over here. I got this shelf from Target, and I also got the little buckets that go in them from Target as well. I just have my letterboard on top, my clock, which is broken, so I need to get a new one. This cup that I painted, this fake plant, and then I have a hook to hang my mask and some hair ties. And over here, I have some like stationery, pens, washi tape over here. This bucket I keep all of my shop stuff. That one is makeup, and this one I have some beads and Posca pens, journals and books in this one, and camera filming stuff in that one. I got this lamp from IKEA. Moving on to my desk space, my chair I brought from home. This is just from Amazon. This desk I was gifted about a year ago from Flexi Spot, and it's a standing desk, so you can move it up and down. I just have some Polaroids and paintings that I've done, as well as some prints from my friends' shops. I also put up the Pantone postcards. And as for my desk, I feel like I don't have that many things. I just have my lamp, this some pens, markers. This thing is from Home Goods. I got that a long time ago. I have my laptop with on a laptop stand, tissue box, mirror, like everyday makeup, water bottle, and I was just working on some shop stuff, which is why I have those. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm sharing my room with a roommate, so I only really have like half of their face. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks. Bye.